Well, I just found another great deal on the Celebrity Eclipse for 2025. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and welcome to our show. Today we got another great cruise deal for you for the Celebrity Eclipse, February 27th, 2025. It is a great cruise, but before we get into all the details of this amazing ship and this amazing itinerary, let me first thank everybody who's become a member of the Cruise Seekers community. Thank you so much for doing it. We really do love you. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you have not become a member of this Cruise Seekers community and you love cruise deals, hey, why don't you think about subscribing and turn that notification bell on? This way you get notified every single time we put out a brand new cruise deal and every single time we put out a brand new review or a wonderful tips type of video. So remember, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on. Thank you so much for doing that. And when you're down there, why don't you just hit that like button? It does help that YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find this channel. Thank you so much for doing that as well. All right, so let's get into this. Let's talk a little bit about the Celebrity Eclipse. Let's talk a little bit about the itinerary, and let's talk about the date, what you're going to be going on, which we already talked about, February 27th, 2025. So here we go, folks. Alrighty, so the Celebrity Eclipse. I love this ship. I was on this ship just October 27th, or actually it was October 28th, 2023, and we had a wonderful Halloween cruise on the ship. It is in great shape, and the shows are very, very good. The beautiful thing about the Celebrity Eclipse, it's not too big. It's really easy to navigate. It's a great ship. They keep her in tip-top shape. And I have to tell you, the service on that ship was absolutely spot on. They do a great job. They love everybody on that ship. They really pay attention to everybody. You will really enjoy being on that Celebrity Eclipse. Now let's talk a little bit about this itinerary. This itinerary is a 9-night cruise, which is a nice long cruise. It's not too short, not too long. It's not an 11-night cruise. And I think it's a perfect kind of length of cruise. But the cool thing is, wait to hear this itinerary. First, you're going to go from Fort Lauderdale to Bonaire. You're going to spend a day there, and then you're going to go to Aruba. But you're not going to turn tail after your day in Aruba and go somewhere else. You're going to spend an overnight in Aruba and enjoy the nightlife in Aruba. What a great, great thing to do. And then after that, you're going to go over to Grand Cayman. And when you're finally finished, you'll be heading right back up to Fort Lauderdale to finish up your 9-night cruise. I think this is a great cruise. I love overnight cruises. Last cruise we did on the Eclipse, it also had an overnight. In our case, it was in Cabo San Lucas. I think I would have rather been in Aruba. And I already talked about the date. The date that we have for this cruise is February 27th, 2025. It's a perfect time to go down to the Southern Caribbean. It's just not too hot during that time. When you go down to the Southern Caribbean during the little bit later in the months, that it gets really warm down there. But in February, the weather is going to be absolutely perfect. Alrighty, so now that we got the ship and we know the itinerary and we know the date, let's get into the pricing. Now, just like all of our other cruise deal videos, these prices are for two people in the cabin. You will also get the classic drink package and your basic unlimited Wi-Fi. That's the Celebrity all-included promo. You'll have that included in these prices as well. We also are going to show you these prices with your gratuities prepaid. I like to prepay our gratuities when we're talking about these long off cruises. This way it locks it in. The price doesn't change for your gratuities. The other thing that you're going to get $200 onboard credit with each and every one of these cabins. So that's another great thing that you get with these group rates that you just won't get on the Celebrity website. So let's talk about these prices. Let's talk about the 4 different cabin categories that we have for you. So the first one we have is Aqua Class. The Aqua Class cabins is $4,196.28. And like I said, you're going to get that $200 onboard credit. With Aqua Class, you get access to the Blue restaurant, and you also get access to the Persian Gardens, another great little place to kind of tuck yourself away and kind of let all your stress melt away. It's really nice to have Blue also on these Solstice class ships. It's your own special restaurant. It's almost like a little sweet restaurant for those people in Aqua Class. The next one we have are Prime Concierge Verandas. These Prime Concierge Verandas are $3,818.28, and you're also going to get that $200 onboard credit. Those Concierge class cabins are really nice. They're in good locations of the ships. The other really nice thing with going with Concierge class is you do get some extra points for going up that loyalty tiers. That's one of the main reasons why I like to book concierge class. It helps me get up to those higher tiers a little faster. Now, the next cabin categories we have are the verandas. Those verandas are $3,617.28 with $200 on board credit. Another great deal. Remember, folks, this is a 9-night cruise, and you're going to be in a veranda for $3,617 for 9 nights with a drink package, with your Wi-Fi, with your tips included, and getting $200 on board credit. It's such a great deal. And you're also going to have it overnight in Aruba too. And finally, if you want to save some money on these cruises, it's a great deal. We do have some prime inside cabins on this cruise as well. Those prime insides are $3,183.28. It's a great way to get onto this cruise, a great way to experience these islands. It's a great way to get away for 9 days with your drinks, your food, your entertainment, all those things taken care of for you. It's a great, great deal. Now, all these cabins will save you well over $1,000 versus a Celebrity website. I would love for you folks to just grab this deal and just gobble it up, because you're not going to see these kind of prices much longer. I kind of been scouring really hard to find some of these great prices, and it's getting harder and harder nowadays. So just to let you know, I just can't believe these prices. These are great, great deals. Now, if you want to book this great cruise deal, the best way to do that is to give us a call at the number right there down below. When you do that, hit extension 1, that will bring you to me, Robert. If you hit extension 2, that will bring you to my wife, Cheryl. Now, if you don't want to give us a call, I will leave a link down in the description. Click that link. It will bring you to a travel interest survey form. Fill it out. Let us know you want to go on the February 27th Eclipse cruise, and we will get right back to you and let you know exactly what we have left. Now, if you're sitting in your living room and you're watching YouTube and you don't have access to that keyboard or mouse, the best way to get in contact with us then is to kind of just scan this QR code. When you scan that QR code, it'll bring you to that same travel interest survey form. Fill it out. Let us know you want to go on this cruise, February 27th, 2025 on the Eclipse, and we'll get back to you. We'll let you know what we have. So there you go, folks. That's our cruise deal for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hey, give it a big thumbs up. It does help that YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find this great cruise deal so that they can cruise with you. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on if you haven't done such already. It's so appreciated by us. Thank you so much for doing it. And while you're down there too, leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think about this itinerary. Let us know if you've been on the Eclipse before. We love engaging with you folks down in the comment section. We just enjoy talking with you folks there. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Bye now.